Good morning, students. Welcome to my class, and this is lecture 4 for relation and function. So, as you know, we had already discussed exercise 1.3, question number 10. So, today we are going to discuss some more question from the exercise 1.3. So, let us begin the first question. Let let f from 134 to 125. See, question number 1, exercise 1.3. Let f is the function from 1 to 3 to 134 to 125. 134 to 125. Okay, 134 to 125, and g from 1 to 5. G is the function from 1 to 5 to 1 3. Okay, these are the two functions. And now what is given? Be given by f is equal to 1 2 3 5 4 1 is given by f is equal to 1 2 3 5 4 1 3 5 4 1. This is f. And what is g? G is given, see in your book, g is given 1 3 2 3 5 1 1 3 2 3 5 1. Okay, this is given 1 3 2 3 and 5. Write down f composition of g. Write down f composition of g. So what is the meaning of f composition of g? F composition of g means g of fx. So what is x here? X is nothing but each element of this set, f1, f3, f4. And what is the value of f1? F1 is 2, f3 is 5, f4 is 1. Again, fx means f1, that means g composition of f composition g of 1, that is g of f1. So g of f1 is 1, image of 1 is 2. This is 2, and g2 is 3. So this is f composition g of 1. For the element 3, f composition g of 3, this is g of f3. And f3 is what? f3 is 5. So this is g of 5. And g of 5 is 1. Maybe you understand? Okay, so note it down and solve for f composition g of 4. Okay, similarly, question number 2, this is also an easy question. I'm just going to erase it. Question number 2. F is the function from R to R. F, G and H are the function from R to R. F from R to R, that means real number to real number. G from R to R and H from R to R. These are the three functions. Now we have to show f plus g of h, f plus g, h composition of f plus g is equals to h composition of f and plus h composition of g. Okay, so first one I am solved here, and second one, this is your homework. So see LHS, if you see this one, that is nothing but f plus g of hx. Okay, and this is distribute, so f of hx plus g of hx, and f of hx means h composition of f, and g of hx means h composition of g. So this is your RHS, hence true. This is question number second. First part I have done here, and second part is your homework. So note it down first. Okay, now question number third. Question number third. In third question, if you see, find f of g, find f composition g and g composition f. Okay, Fogg and Goff. If first question, fx is mod x and gx is mod of 5x minus 2. So this is your question. Okay, so how will we solve? See, solution. F composition G. If we are talking about the F composition G, then suppose for each x belongs to R, F composition G of x, this is nothing but G of fx. And what is the value of fx? This is mod x. Fx is mod x. Then what? G of mod x means mod of 5 times mod x minus 2. And what about G composition of x? F of gx, and gx is what? F of 5x minus 2, mod of 5x minus 2. So this is nothing but mod x. So mod of 5x minus 2 times mod here. Okay, so note it down. Okay, this question may be in your NCERT book. Answer is given only mod of 5x minus 2. So don't confuse. This is like this. Okay. So next one is, this is also a very important question. Second one, if you can do it yourself. Question number third, second part. Okay. Similarly, 4. Fx is equals to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. X does not equal to 2 by 3. So that f of fx is equals to x for all x does not equal to 2 by 3. What is the inverse of f? This is also a good question. Question number 4. What is given fx? Question number 4. Fx is given 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. X does not equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So what we need to find? F composition of f. Okay. X. For each x belongs to, yes, set is not given, supposed to be real number. F composition f of x, this is nothing but f of fx. And fx is what? 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Maybe it is clear, only value of the function. And this is nothing but f of x. and again you see this is 4x plus 3. So 4 times at the place of x, this 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 minus the plus of 3 divided by 6 times at the place of x, 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 minus of 4. Now you calculate it, you will get x here because f composition f of x is x. You calculate it, you will get x. How to calculate? You just see 4 4 just 16x plus 12 plus 12x 18x and minus 12 whole divided by 6x minus 4 and again 6 4s are 24x, 6 3s are 18x, 18 only, minus 24x and minus plus 16 and divided by 6x minus 4. So this one is cancelled out and this is 16x plus 18x, 34x, 12 cancelled out and divided by 24 cancelled out, 18 plus 16 upon 34. So this is cancelled out x. So what you see, f composition f of x, this is nothing but x. Okay, and also what do you want to find here? F inverse of x. Okay, so first of all note it down, then we find f inverse of x. Okay, whenever you want to note the questions or the whatever written on the board, you just pause the video and note it down. Okay, now see f inverse of x. What is f inverse of x? As you know, we had already discussed in question number 10 also how to find f inverse of x. If you see this, then the x is nothing but f inverse of this thing. So let y is equals to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. If you represent x in terms of y, then x is nothing but f inverse of y. Okay, so this is 6xy minus 4y, 4x plus 3. So 6xy minus 4x, this is 3 plus 4y. So x is common, supposed to be 2x is common, then this is 3y minus 2, 3 plus 4y. So 2x is nothing but 3 plus 4y divided by 3y minus 2. So x is nothing but 3 plus 4y whole divided by 3 to the 6y minus 4. And x is nothing but f inverse of y. So this is the inverse of the function. So note it down. Okay, so maximum question we had already discussed here, but last one, question number 13. This is very important, many times asked in the board also. So here fx is, question number 13, if f from R to R is defined as fx is equals to 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Okay, then f of fx, then find f of fx. Okay, so answer is, if this is optional question, answer is x power 1 by 3, x cube, x and 3 minus x cube. So let us see how to find f of fx means f of fx. So F composition f of x, this is f of fx. So fx, simply fx is what we can write here, 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Now fx is what, 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. So at the place of x, this is there. So 3 minus x cube. X cube means this is x. So 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 3. Use this curly bracket. And the whole power 1 by 3. So this is 3 minus, this one is cancelled, 3 plus x cube whole to the power 3, 3 cancel, x cube power 1 by 3, and this is x. So f composition of fx is nothing but x. Okay, so match the answer. See 1.3, question number 13. You see, answer is C. Answer C is X. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this particular lecture. So whatever doubts you can ask on Saturday. So after this topic, we start the binary operation, because maximum question of 1.3 I have solved here, and this is my humble request to solve NCERT as well as NCERT exemplar for board examination. Okay, so thank you very much.